Y'all, I got a pan full of onions sauteing in some olive oil with some parsley flakes. And I got them giant, look at the size of them potatoes, huh? I got 4 of them big babies. And they're cooling off. We cooked them, it took about, excuse me, about an hour and a half or so to cook them. And when I get that sauteed, I'm going to move that into a different bowl. And then got a package of ground venison. And I think in the refrigerator we got a half a tube or so of pork sausages I'm going to mix together and get that seasoned up and cooking. And then I'm going to cut them potatoes in half, scrape the potato out of the shell into a large mixing bowl and mix all that together with some sour cream and some cheese, and put them back in the oven and bake them again until the cheese melts. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. You just spice it to taste, and then I'll douse mine with Louisiana hot sauce when I get them when I get it on the plate. But excuse me. Oh my goodness! I've been standing in a cloud of cedar dust this afternoon trying to get that end table done, and I got it done. And that video is in the making, or it might be uploaded by the time this one gets out there. Who knows? But anyhow, I'm going to get some more work done here, and bring you back when I begin to put things together. All right, I just added some more parsley in there. Just kind of stir it around. The pan that I'm using is a controversial frying pan. This is my Possible Blacklock from pre-1910. Get all that spread out. All right. Smells good in here, folks. Be right back. All right, I've got the venison and I've got the pork. Got it mixed in there, and now I'm going to add a little Lowry's. Make sure I'm watching what I'm doing and watching the screen at the same time. Probably need to and then I got some cayenne pepper. And now it kind of help if I turn the fire on. All right, I'm going to get that mixed up and get it rolling. Bring you back in a few. Be back. All right, now I'm going to add a little black pepper. I don't have a teaspoon of this or a tablespoon of that. I just put it on there. You see, it's beginning to cook, and I got a frozen piece starting to break up now. Excuse me, a venison pepper. Still gotta get all that mixed together real good. I still gotta. Oh, that sausage is smelling good. Or it could be the venison, I don't know. That's starting to smell good, starting to cook up a little bit. And then, like I said, once I get this done, I got to get those potatoes dug out. So I'll be back here shortly. All right, next on the list of things to do with this meal is I'm going to cut those potatoes in half and then scrape the potato into that bowl I've got over there. Excuse the mess. Like I said, we're in the process of moving stuff around again, but I'm going to get this ready, and I'll bring you back when I have, I'm going to put the potato into that bowl, the hamburger meat, the parsley and onion that I had sauteed, and then I'm going to mix that with sour cream and cheese and put them back in the potato shell. So I'll bring you back when I get some more progress made, and kind of I'll bring you back when I get everything in the bowl. Alright, I took this fork and I pulled the potato out of the shell and got it all in that bowl. And now I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients in there and get it mixed up. So it was a half a pound of sausage and a full pound of ground venison. And then I used 2 bundles of green onions, and then I basically just dusted the top of everything with Lowry seasoning, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. All right, let's get this rolling. Okay, I've got the meat, the onions, and the sour cream mixed in there. Now I just got to load it down with some cheese, and then I'll be ready to put all that back in the shell. So give me just a few minutes and I'll have all that ready for you. Okay guys, this is ready to go into the oven at 400 degrees, and it'll be in there until that cheese melts, and then it's bon appetit. It's going to be good, I guarantee. Yeah. The original recipe, I got this, I was watching PBS, this has probably been about 20 years ago, and wrote down the recipe that Justin Wilson was doing, and I this is my own variant of it now. He had bacon that he crushed and put on top of it and stuff, so there's a lot of things that you can do. I've made this with crawfish before, and it's outstanding. So anyhow, let me get this in the oven, and I'll bring you back when we're ready to eat. See you in a few. Alright, let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, that's ready. I better get that out of there. Some of it's kind of blackened a little bit. That's ready to go. Alright, let me remember how to do this. Off. Alright, I'm going to pull that out and let you have a look, and then we're going to dig in. Alright, there they are. We're fixing to dig in. I'll have mine, and I'll soak it with Louisiana hot sauce. Alright, well that's gonna do it for this video. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it. This is good stuff. Anyhow, you guys have a wonderful evening, and I will catch you on the next video.